Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can use the COUNTIF function. So now look at this sheet. There are 20 employees and all of them are from 3 different departments. Now if you want to find how many employees are from marketing, you need to insert the COUNTIF function and you can find it easily. So here's how you can do that. Type COUNTIF here, then open a bracket, select the range which is the total rows of the department column, and before moving on insert the dollar mark to fix the rows and column that you are selecting. After that press comma and select the criteria which is the marketing, then close the bracket, press enter here. So now drag. So now you can see there are 8 employees from marketing, 7 employees from finance and 5 employees are from HR department. Try this and make use of this. Bye. Thank you.